That's the CVT warmer filter after 50,000 miles, so it's dirty. This is the OEM one. Here's the part number. So in order to remove the filter, you have to, because right underneath here, you have to remove the air box right there. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So to remove the air box, first you need to remove the trim. And there's a few clips here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips. So I use one of these. You buy it from Amazon. Pretty simple. Put it here. Just take it out like that. And this one already removed. Pretty simple. Take it out like that. Okay, actually you don't have to remove all the clips. Do what I do. Get a spongy cord. Hook it up to the hook up there. So now you have enough room to remove these things. Alright, so in here, to remove this, and you have to remove these 2 clips, but it's a pain in the butt to do it. I don't like to do that, but rather do this way. See on the side here? It's just a rubber thing. Pull it up, same as the other side. Over here. Pull it up, and there's some clip holding it. So here, see the down there, the clip holding it. This thing's holding it. So now you don't have to take these 2 clips out and go break the clip and pain in the butt. Okay, there are 2 bolts you have to remove in order to remove the air box. So one back there, another one down here. And because it's so deep down, I put a 10 mm socket and put a magnet. See that? So it will capture the ball instead of it falling down. See that? The magnet captures the ball. So there's one ball. Second one down here. Capture the ball. And now you see this things here. This rubber thing need to come out in order for this thing to come out. What's holding this is this rubber thing here. See, this thing's like pain in the butt, won't come off. So I'll find a way. It's a pie bar. Go underneath here by pulling up. Because there's a rubber thing underneath there. Here you go. So this whole thing come off. So this is the rubber thing holding. It's pain in the butt. So this is the air box they took out. So here we see the fueler right there. And this is the warmer. I'm gonna replace the filter inside today. So first need to drain the coolant. Okay, before you drain the transmission fluid, leave a little hole so the pressure will allow it to push the liquid down a lot easier. Okay, this is a 2.0 non-turbo, so that's the transmission drain plug, and the you go to here. You see here, it's the level checker to check the level of your transmission fluid after you fill it. So this is, I think it's 17, and this is the 3/8. So I'm gonna before I loosen this, I'm gonna loosen this first. So I'm using the 3/8 to loosen the plug. There's 50,000 miles on this car. Okay, here's the plug. Here's all the metal shaving. So you clean up. There's the black stuff here. Plug back in and torque it at 36 foot-pound of torque. By the way, make sure you replace the washer, put a new one. Right, there's 6 foot-pound torque. That's the used oil. I'm gonna pour it inside and measure how much you drain out. One quart, 2 quart, 3 quart, 3.6 or 3.7. See one here, one there. Here we go. Give me enough room. And just the long bow. Okay, 2 balls. So I need to get into it and screw it. And try to loosen that bolt over there. So that's what the cooler looks like. You're looking at the fluid. See, I bended the this part, so I need to fix it. That's what the cooler looks like. And I damaged this part, so it's not strict anymore. That's why I need to replace it. And this two connect to, so this hole has cooler inside, so you drop it, you see coolant coming out. Same as this one. See all the coolant coming out. See the filter right there. So this thing is in the way, so we move here, push it up, remove the thing. Use a hand holding it. And use one of these. Take it out. Alright, here's the dirty filter. Okay, don't forget to remove the gasket and put a new one. So here the 50,000 mile filter look like, the gasket, and I have the OEM filter and the gasket. That's the part number. It's a new gasket. You go right there. Make sure you get some oil. Okay, put the new filter in. Yep, push right in. So these two coolant holes. This one on the top, this one on the bottom. Put into the new one. That's the new one. And these two clamp, put it back. Put those back in. Don't need to be tightened. The book said 20-foot pan of torque. I'll just put 15 because it's aluminum block. I've experienced stripping the bolt before, so I'll put 15 here. All right. Should put this clip back in first also. So how do I level the car? I put it on here, put it on here, put it on here. See, they all look different here. Not the same, so I found a way to do it. And here's the support all the way along the car. And what I do is I just put this against here, and here you go. Here's the level. For the 2.0 on turbo, after you remove the airbox, you see the fuel plug here. Take it out. Put funnel in. So I'm putting this in. So clear yellow. Here's the second one. Number 3. Number 4. So I'm going to add the 8 fluid ounces in here. Alright, remove it. Put this back. Okay, put the air bulb back. Gotta start the car. Just put it in temporary. So far. I'm not trying to tighten anything yet. The sensor here. Don't forget. Very important. Sensor, air bulb. Okay, I got the Honda antifreeze to coolant, the Type 2. This one is 50-50 pre-diluted. You don't have to dilute it, just add the whole thing into the reservoir. So you start adding coolant. Okay, connect the battery. And start the car. There's one thing I've seen from most of the YouTube that people they didn't do is they didn't wait until the car warm up before to shift the transmission down and then up. And you have to wait until the car warm up according to the service manual. And also, you don't put the drain bolt out right there. When the engine is cold, you have to wait until the engine is warm up to the operating temperature. Then you pull the drain bolt out to check the level. Right, that's very important. Now the car is at the operation temperature. You put the leg on the brake, you shift through off from R and D S L 3 seconds in between. 1001, 1002, 1003.
1001, 1002, 1003. 1001, 1002, 1003. 1001, 1002, 1003. 1001, 1002, 1003. 1001, 1002, 1003. Wiper sticker here. 1001, 1002, 1003. 1001, 1002, 1003. 1001, 1002, 1003.
And park. I'm going to do it one more time. So I'm adding 2 more quarts. Loosen the plug. See, it's dripping out. Time to put it back. And the bolt is 15 foot-pound torque. So I end up using 4 full bottle, 4 quart, and this one is the 5th bottle. It's only 12 ounces remaining, which is about 1/3 of a quart remaining. So I end up using 4 2/3 of the quart. The reason I use so much transmission fluid because the warmer itself has transmission fluid inside, so I replaced with a new one, so I have to fill up the transmission fluid inside here. That's why I end up using 4 2/3 of the quart instead of the regular change would be 3.9 quart. Time to put the air box back. So this rubber thing, so hard to come out. So I bought one of this from Honda. That's the part number. This rubber thing. Let's take a look what it looks like. This is how this rubber thing looks like. There's the back. There's inside of the hole. There's the side. There's the top. Okay, to remove that rubber stop, you need a pie bar like that, and a small screwdriver like that. Squeeze it. Screwdriver here. Hold like that. And go all the way around. Turn this thing. Keep turning it. Here you go. This is how you remove this. Okay, to put the rubber stop back, easy. Push up. That's it. Now put the airbox back. The rubber stop here. This is what it looks like without the rubber stop. Squeeze that in. That's it. Pretty easy. Alright. So there are two bowl. One here first. So what I did is I put a masking tape on the inside the socket holding the bowl, so you don't fall down. So now I can put it there. Alright, you tighten up the bowl. Need to be too tight because of the rubber thing holding it. The air filter back in. This OEM air filter fit perfectly. Okay, make sure this one is in. Yeah, I think this way. Put this thing back in here. Side, hold it up. Here, here, here. Okay, and the bottom too. Okay, put the lower cover back. Put the power back. Put the power back. Connect the cable. And that's it. Everything's done. Double check. Make sure this is in. Everything is checked. No leak. Alright, thanks for watching.